Ayan! Good morning!
Hi guys! Hi Admiralty!
Good morning
So we're here
everyone!
again.
We're here in
Admiralty going to
Tamar Park.
Yeah.
Ayan, so
abangan ang mga pasamak sa araw na ito. Ang mga kaganapan.
magdidisturbo na naman kami ng
Mga kababaihan at kalalakihan. So nga, ang trend name natin ngayon, kababaihan at kalalakihan. Para may iba. Hindi na guys. Hello mga kababaihan, kalalakihan. Ganun. Ay,
ululay.
buhay-buhay ng mga
Kababaihan
natin, mga OFW. Tingnan nyo sila, nakatent lang. So tuwing linggo, tuwing day off, andito sila, mga iba andito sila kasi nga may mga iba din naman na may mga boarding houses. Kaya doon sila sa bahay nila. Pero mga iba doon lang. So masaya naman ang buhay nila, diba?
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best. Though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test. I'm so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit.
Ang saya-saya ako ngayon.
So anong feeling mo ngayon? Char.
Nanakaw na naman sa hawla.
Char! Anong feeling mo ngayon na gagawin na natin yung Ilyas moves?
Kinakabahan na excited.
Yan ang sagot sa kahirapan, ganun mo. Charot.
Kaya dapat ipa-viral ninyo ha.
True. Kaya yun. We are trying our best to make you
pa ako
happy.
ng maayos. Charing.
Adidas, baka naman, no?
Adidas, baka naman may ano kayo dyan.
Oo, Adidas. Oo. Baka naman. Ayan, gawin namin yung Ilyas move. Ayan.
Baka
Ayan na
mag-trending.
Yan na ang sagot sa ating kahirapan. So ayan, dito kami sa Tamar Park. Look at the view. Yan. Yan.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really
Hi guys!
So ayan, naglalakad kami dito sa sa bridge ng
Chongwan.
Tapos biglang may nakapansin sa amin na
yung himas-himas daw.
Oo, yung
himas-himas
daw. Kaya kahit hindi naman po kami sikat, may pumapansin din kahit papaano. So ayun. Guys, that's our vlog for today. Nag-interview kami. Gumawa ng
Na-meet namin si Chef Boy Mangyan, si Bonita, si Mutya. Na-meet namin ang mga yan. At saka yung mga kasamahan nila Mutya, na-meet namin ang mga yan. So, yung feeling guys na na-meet mo yung mga matagal na vlogger na pinapanood mo, tapos na-meet mo, nakaka-starstruck din pala. Pero at least, nabigyan kami ng time para